Good morning, students. Today we will complete the some problem that is based on velocity and acceleration. So we are taking first a example that is 4.5 4.4. The position of a particle is given by r equal to 3.0 small t I cap plus 2.0 t square j cap plus 5.0 k cap, where t is the time in second and coefficient have the proper units for r to be in meter. Number A, find the velocity and acceleration of the particle. B part, find the magnitude and direction of velocity at time t equal to 1.0 second. So we need to be calculate that it have the two part. Number one, A part, we need to be calculate velocity and acceleration. So it is given the position in the question. Position that is r equal to 3.0 t I cap plus 2.0 t square j cap plus 5.0 k cap. So first we will find the velocity. So formula of velocity, that is v equal to dr upon dt equal to d upon dt, and we will put the value of r 3.0 t I cap plus 2.0 t square j cap plus 5.0 k cap. Now we open the bracket. So v equal to d upon dt 3.0 t into I cap plus d upon dt 2.0 t square j cap plus d upon dt 5.0 k cap. So in this question we need to do the differentiation. So we will remember the formula of differentiation, that is d upon dt, that is t की power n equal to, so formula is n into t की power n minus 1. We will see another example, d upon dx x की power n. So it will be n into x की power n minus 1. We have d upon dx x की power 2. Then what will be? We will use the formula. So 2 will become in multiplication power, then x की power 2 minus 1. So it will be equal to 2 into x की power 1 equal to 2x. Now next, d upon dx x की power 5. Then it will be 5 will become in multiplication and x की power 5 minus 1. So it will be 5 x की power 4. Similarly, we will take another example like d upon dx t की power 5. So what will be this? It's equal to t की power 5 will be constant because there is a dx. in denominator, so there will be differentiation of the only x term and t term that will be constant. So d upon dx, और यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, दैट इज x की पावर 0 और 1, वी कैन टेक 1 और 1 की जगह हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, x की पावर 0, बिकॉज x की पावर 0 इक्वल टू 1. So what will be, that is t की पावर 5 into 0 into x की पावर 0 minus 1. So it will be equal to 0 because it is multiplication by 0. So everything will be equal to 0. Next, d upon dt into t square. So what will be differentiation? 2 will become in multiplication and t की power 2 minus 1. So that is equal to 2 into t की power 1 equal to 2t. So now we come on the question. Question is, v equal to d upon dt 3.0 t I cap plus d upon dt 2.0 t square j cap plus d upon dt 5.0 k cap. So v equal to, here 3.0 t I cap. So 3.0 I, it will be constant, 3.0 I cap, and it will be d upon dt and differentiation of t, plus here 2.0 j constant and d upon dt and here differentiation of t square, plus here 5.0 k constant आ जाएगा and d upon dt that is 1, और 1 की जगह हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, t upon 0, क्योंकि t upon t की पावर 0 इक्वल टू 1, so we can write here t 0. So v equal to 3.0 I cap and it will be t की पावर 1, so we will take 1 into t की पावर 1 minus 1 plus 2.0 j cap, it will be t square, so 2 will be come in multiplication and t की power 2 minus 1 plus 5.0 k cap, here 0 will be come in multiplication and t की power 0 minus 1. So it is equal to, v equal to 3.0 I cap और t की पावर 1 minus 1 that is t की पावर 0 plus 2 into 2 that is the 4 j cap और t की पावर 1 plus 5.0 k cap, it's multiply by 0 into t की power minus 1, so it total will be 0 and here v equal to 3.0 t की power 0 that is equal to 1, so we will not write here I cap plus 4 t की power 1 means t 4t into j cap and plus this all thing will be 0, so b equal to finally 3.0 I cap plus 4t j cap. It's the value of velocity. Next we will calculate the acceleration. Acceleration A equal to, that is dv upon dt, that is the rate of change of velocity. So here there will be differentiation of v term. So we will write here d upon dt, value of v, that is 3.0 I cap plus 4t j cap. So it will be A equal to, we will open the bracket, 3 d upon dt, 3.0 I cap plus d upon dt, 4 t into j cap. So acceleration A equal to 3.0 I cap, it will be constant, 3.0 I cap constant, and d upon dt here will be 1, so 1 की जगह we can write the t power 0, plus here 4j constant, d upon dt into t, so it will be 3.0 I cap, और ये हो जाएगा 0 इंटू टी की पावर 0 माइनस 1 प्लस 4j, it will be t की पावर 1, so we will take 1 into t की पावर 1 minus 1, so it will be 0 is because multiplication by 0, plus 4j cap, and it will be 1, और t की पावर here 0, t की power 0, that is equal to 1, so it is equal to only 4j, so it will be acceleration. So acceleration equal to 4j. Now we come on the second part, B part. Here we need to find the magnitude and direction of Vt at t equal to 1. So we know V equal to 3.0 I cap plus 4t j cap. So we will put t equal to 1. So if we will put t equal to 1, then v equal to 3.0 I cap plus 4 j cap for t equal to 1. We will find the magnitude. So magnitude v equal to हो जाएगा, that is under root 3 square, that is x component of v का square plus y component of v square, that is equal to under root 9 plus 16 equal to under root 25 and is equal to 5. So v will equal to 5 meter per second. Now direction of v, direction is taken by theta equal to vy upon vx. So vy, that is component of the j, that is the 4 upon 3. So theta equal to हो जाएगा, theta equal to 10 inverse 4 upon 3. That is the direction. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.